Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to all of you. In this video you will see two kinds of traditional bread. Traditional Turkish basing pan bread recipe. Traditional Ramadan pita bread making. Follow the bread recipe of traditional base pan. 40 grams of sour yeast. Add 50 grams of sugar and warm water to mix. 25 grams of salt per. 2 kilograms of flour. Open the middle and add the yeast mixture. Add warm water and knead the dough. The dough is round, as you see it, and the consistency of the dough is okay. Cover the dough with transparent sachet, and cover with cloth for 1 hour. The dough was fermented and blistered, now you can start making bread. Take up to 400 grams of dough, and roll with your hands. Can turn the dough on the cutting board, can roll the dough with a little flour. Six pieces traditional basing pan to be made bread. Open the dough by adding a little flour. Open and prepare the dough at the height of the pan. Open the dough to 30 centimeters and wait for the dough. Close the dough you opened with the cloth and wait 1 hour. Add the dough to the heated pan, and cook over medium heat. Cook by turning at 2-minute intervals. Warm bread dressed with cloth cloths. Don't forget to brew tea when baking bread. These breads can be used for breakfast or for dinner. Compatible with cucumbers, tomatoes, cheese, olives and tea. Also, these breads are suitable for making a crispy toast. As you can see, the bread can be opened easily. Add cheese into hot bread and eat. Enjoy your meal. I visited the bakery in our neighborhood to view the traditional Ramadan pita making. These breads made only in Ramadan are unleavened, healthy and very tasty. It is possible not only to make pita bread, but also cake, pastry, dessert, baklava and dry pastry. 400 grams of doughs are prepared in advance, and the dough process is expected. Blistered doughs are opened by hand. Dough Ramadan pita is given shape. There is no special ingredient in the mixture applied on bread. Mixture of flour, water and molasses. After shaping, sesame is added to the bread and baked in the oven. After 7 minutes cooking time, at 180-degree temperature. Crispy bread is ready for serving.
Kaç tane yapıyorsunuz günde? Bir tane.
At least 1,000 breads are made per day. Every day during the month of Ramadan this way. Optional egg and plenty of sesame options available. "16 hours fasting without eating anything. Now I can eat this bread." We came to the end of a video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched videos and supported me. Goodbye to see a new video.